Hey guys, welcome to Atsap and in today's tutorial, we'll be teaching you the basics of Swift, starting with the classic Hello World tutorial. This tutorial, I'll be using the Playgrounds application on the iPad. However, you can use the Playground application on your MacBook or Xcode to get started. Now to get started, it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is assign a variable called message and assign it our Hello World message. Note that this string or message can be anything you would like it to be, but for this tutorial, we're going to say hello Atsap. Now once you've assigned the variable, all you have to do is display it to the screen. And to do that in Swift, it's pretty simple, using the print function. Note that you put the print function with the parameter of message, which will assign to that function the hello Atsap message. When we run that application, you realize that it will print to the screen, hello Atsap. It's as simple as that. And there you have built your first Swift application. For more videos on Swift tutorials, subscribe to our channel Atsap. Thank you, and join us next time for our next tutorial video on Swift.